shot problem.
Too much power?
Playing this to be your brother, dude.
So he's got one broken Grand Prix, not broken, there's no motor in it. Another one here, and another one there. Poor thing's all rusted out. And this is gonna get stripped down when I gave down to the yard with the rest of them. Well, I need this interior. It is nice. Put this in my my other car. Ooh, that poor exhaust eating rocks now. I want these wheels. Those look nice, my Cammed G. I want to see if I can borrow them off them. I'm going to convince somebody to borrow these wheels for a little bit. This guy over here, Mr. Can't wait for nobody to get up in the morning. Let me get my hat in my truck first, because my hair's probably a mess right now. So this little Chevy hat to look on Pontiac. I think he's in his pajamas, they said. You're in slippers?
Yeah, I wasn't going in the room. I didn't pre-plan my morning.
I was awake. Oh, you need light, huh? I got the perfect solution for you, buddy. Get into the good stuff here. Hey, how's that? So what you got doing? What are you doing right now?
I'm pulling back the plug wires off.
Okay. So what's the story? You blew a transmission yesterday, the input shaft?
Yeah.
And then today is what, motor and trans swap on this?
Yep.
Okay, we got one that's built already, right?
Yep.
And what transmission is this? Minivan transmission, you said?
Yeah.
Minivan 3400 transmission with an XP cam 3.8. What valves are in it? Lifters. Yeah, lifters and springs are in this.
The stock thrusters and
90s.
Crocam 105 springs.
Okay. And the wheels are for the Cammed G one day. I think I'm borrowing for a car meet, that's all.
Yeah.
So we should have this out, what, an hour or so?
Hour and a half.
Oh, an hour and a half, excuse me. Okay. Have this thing out.
Ready for the dirty one.
And have this old used block out of a Ford Tempo in there. That little pulley, that thing. That's going in there. You gotta pop that axle out. Is you want to pop, or you still gotta pop the other one too?
Yeah, pop the other one too. I'll get the passenger side from the bottom. Oh, whatever. Okay. That's done.
Good. Headers are off now. So it's now these axles and pull it out.
Axles, grounds, starter wires. Yeah, and that AC compressor.
So this is the NIC cam. We're pulling that out, and transmission blew yesterday on the way back here. So we're doing trans swap, NIC cam, and we're putting XP cam in there in the other engine. And the transmission have a rendezvous or something? Yeah, we're putting an SUV transmission in there. I want the front wheel drive rendezvous things, with a 3400. So it's just temporary until we build another transmission up. But it'll hold it for a few days maybe.
Give me a flathead.
A flathead, what's that? There you go. I'll grab this out of here. Put this in the back of my truck. You don't need this, right?
Right.
I'll put it here next to my wheels.
Deep breaths. You get this baby out real soon. Alright.
So you gotta make room here for that engine hoist.
I'm gonna pull this truck in or something.
What's that noise? Oh, it's draining.
Making it nice and messy.
So I had to film you because I could pretend I don't know anything. Just ask questions. Like, what's this bolt do?
Hey, watch out, I'm gonna open the door.
Alright. You want to go in the like that? You want to go like that? You gotta get from over here somewhere to that transmission.
Yeah.
Unless you can pull it this angle and pull it out. You got any more bolts? You got a nut for this?
Yeah.
No, a nut. Yeah, just put the one on the so it don't slide.
I need 15 millimeter.
Oh, here we go. I got it. Yeah, just keep it from sliding back, that's all. Let's unbolt that ABS real quick. Just to get it to flex, you know what I'm saying? Right here, just a few tens. Just so I can move around. Yeah, just unbolt those and it'll just move around. Just make enough room and it'll come out after that. Alright. We can twist it. Oh, you're on the AC already, ain't you? Yeah. It's gonna be fun putting this back in. A little bit more and you clear it over here. You go push it back this way. A little higher. Oh, there we go.
half and half.
Let me see. Oh, you're good right there. We're doing a tailgate. We've got plenty of room. Yeah, that's plenty of room.